to the channel. I will show you some more probability computations with Shannon entropy. So Shannon entropy is a way to compute H, or to compute a probability with H as a quantity. And what H is basically the probability times the log base 2 of the probability. So h to the power of 2, um, h to the um to the probability, actually it's h to the probability um times uh log 2 of the probability. So in short, it's just a probability. Um h to the h to the p, and we return negative h for that quantity. After that, we compute the probability by creating a floater, and then p equals the power, the 2 to the 1 times h, or 2 to the length of p, which is an array that stores probabilities, and that in another way is n times h. Um, 2 to the 2 to the h. It will be well, 2 to the n times h is the p, or the probability of the set. So now the original way to compute probability would be probably for a for loop. We would just do the expected value, um, and return that. So let me give you two arrays. N is an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could represent 5 entries. X is array of 10. Probability of rolling, let's say 2 or 12 in a pair of dice would be 1 out of 36 for both the 2 and the 12. So this is two dice, six-sided, um, any combination of the sides. Probability of rolling a 7 is much greater, since there's so many combinations of 7. There's 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, and vice versa. So I've shown you my functions. Now let's get to the probability computation. So rolling a7, we computed the h, and it is this number 2.58, very high in h. Um, the next number is the probability of rolling a 7 using h, and it's pretty low. It's like 0.000, 4 zeros and then 214. And then rolling a 2 and 12, it has a low h, a high probability. And then we look at the basic way of computing probability. Um, rolling a 7 is very similar. Rolling 2 and 12 for h probability and p probability is very different. Is so using h, it's a very high probability. Let's see. Yeah, very high probability. Second line is going to be a lower probability, just computing 2 and 12. So 2 and 12 is meant to have a low probability anyways. you can see that using the original way to